That was really good.
Does it feel fast? But you know what? That's the pace you have to do, was to get down the number of lines there.
Right?
Need some water? Yes. Okay. Get your water.
Good. Good.
That was really good, though. You should be very proud.
Good girl, Ginger. You're taking good care.
Okay, so you watched Emily do that equitation now, right? Okay, so this time it's the
Oh my
green
god.
That was high.
going that way. Okay.
Need to do some
So what you're going to
grids.
do is come in here, you're going to trot around the barrel and swipe, and then pick up your finisher. Green.
Family, you're killing me. She's like leaping over things and then she's like dying over things.
6 there, but you know where she came around the white jump? This is the white jump, right? Diagonal.
Come on, nice line, Bentley.
Well, just keep going. She'll change for you. Just like that.
That was nice.
Yeah.